Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up a recurring transaction on Nav. If you don't have a Nav Prime account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for banking. Then, at the upper right corner of this page, you will see an option that says Transfer. Click on Transfer. A pop-up tab will then appear. In the fields provided, enter all the necessary information, such as the amount, the account you want to transfer the money from, the account that will receive the payment, and a description. To make it a recurring transfer, click on the checkbox beside the text that says Make Recurring Transaction. Next, select the frequency, day of the week, start date and end date of the recurring transfer. After entering all the necessary information, click on Continue. That's how you set up a recurring transaction on Nav. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.